Hi, this is Cindy trying to keep it real with God. So I just wanted to do another video, and this is as real as it gets. Corruption in the state of Missouri. Now, honestly, I pray that I will continue to be able to make videos after I make this one, and that I will be able to see another day, because it's not easy to stand up. It's easy to sit back and watch a lot of things that go on and not speak up, and sit back and just be okay with a lot of mess. Okay, so the state I live in, corrupt. I have no other way to look at it besides corrupt. The state of Missouri is corrupt. They are corrupt. How they get away with half the things they get away around here, I don't know. And it's not so much, there's racism, but it's mainly between class. Discrimination between class, between the people who have and the people who have not. The haves and the have-nots. Poverty and wealth. Power, no power. I wonder, does justice truly exist? And I always felt that the law is only as good as the person is who officiates the law. The law is only going to be as just and fair as the person who is implementing the law. Because if that person is corrupt, then the law will be corrupt. And there's a lot of corruption here in the state. One of my classmates, he was mentally ill. He was shot in the back. Shot in the back. You tell me, how did the officers who shot him, after they tased him, how did they keep their jobs? They played it on the local network here, the local TV station, and all of a sudden it was just pulled, taken off the air, just disappeared. Then they put him back on the police force. Wow. Yeah. And now my brother, they have my brother locked up. That's keeping it real. My brother is locked up, ching, locked down. Well, he locked up, and they already know that he's locked up for nothing. They already know it. They breaking the laws. It's ridiculous. They know he locked up for nothing. They have all the proof there. They have the transcript where the people are speaking about setting the man up, and then on top of that, they have all these plain errors, as they called it, and the Supreme Court already ruled against these errors in other cases, a case almost identical to my brother. You tell me, and you know what? I know racism is alive and well. And I'm not playing the race card. It's the truth. And for those who say, oh, quit playing the race card, there's no excuse. This type of stuff happens every day. It's still a problem within these small communities and within these states that don't want to obey the laws. Corruption is at an all-time high. It's like, really? You already have this man over-sentenced. You already have him overcharged. You have too much time placed on him. The amount of time that they convicted him of didn't even carry the amount of time they gave him. But if they can quiet your voice, then they'll do that. It's like corruption 101. And it's mainly between social classes and not so much with race. It's the haves and the have-not. Those who have the money and those who have not the money. Those who have the power and those who have not the power. And they continue to violate laws and continue to break laws because they can. But they say it's not about the money, but it is. And I pray to God that he keeps me safe, because I continue to believe in God and I continue to have faith, even when Satan tries to strip my faith. These folks don't know how to do what's right. As long as there's no checks and balance, they will not do what's right. They will continue to break the law as long as they are allowed to break the law. That's the truth. I think it's sad. But continue to pray for me. I've never seen anything like it. Not in this state. When it starts to get a little airway, they just pull it. They pull what they want to pull. They cover up what they want to cover up. They break the law. It's like they think they're God. They break the laws because they can. And they're going to continue to break the law as long as they're allowed to break the law. It's really ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And I think it's sad. And I wonder what happened to our freedom. Is there justice? Or is there justice for those who people feel there's justice for? Make new laws to break new laws. Yeah, I still believe in God, though. I know my faith is under attack. I continue to believe. Hi, baby. And I will believe. I'm not going to stop believing. And hopefully, I don't know. But the racism between social classes is disgusting. And it's pitiful. And everybody don't have the freedom of movement. And everybody don't have the same rights. And everybody don't have the same freedoms in this country. It just depends on where you live and who you know. Where you live and who you know. Pray for me, folks. I'm going to continue to keep it real with God. Keeping it real with myself. But keeping it real isn't always easy. Bye.